It was a windy day. The wind was strong and fast. Tina flew around in the air. "Wee," she said, as the wind blew past her. Below, she saw Buzz, a bee dancing by the flowers. "Hi, Buzz," Tina chirped. "What are you doing?" "I made a song," said Buzz. "It's very catchy." Buzz sang, and Tina danced. But then a big leaf flew by and hit Buzz's music paper. "Oh no," Buzz shouted. "My song!" The paper flew away. Tina flew after it. "I'll chase it," she said. She zipped through the air, turning and twisting. At last, she caught the paper. Buzz clapped his wings. "You saved my song." Tina smiled. "Let's sing it together."